Uttarakhand, a state in the northern part of India, often fondly referred as Devbhumi due to numerous Hindu temples and pilgrimage centers. 86% of Uttarakhand's total area is mountains and 65% of which is covered by forest. Uttarakhand lies on the southern slope of the Himalayan range, and the climate and vegetation vary greatly with elevation from glaciers and ice covered mountains at the highest elevation to subtropical forest and meadows at lower elevation. We, two members of Dropout, started our journey from Sialda. On Rajdhani, someone spills some dal in the trekking shoe of Shantanu, which is a bad omen according to him. The deserted train from Hazrat Nizamuddin to Haridwar. It is freezing and around 1 degree to 0 degree centigrade. We reached Haridwar 2:30 at night, boarded in the tempo traveler with another 9 trekmates and started that day's journey towards Sari village of Chopta at 6 o'clock morning. Sari, the base camp of Deuriatal Chandrashila trek, is an 8-hour drive from Haridwar. The journey is picturesque as it travels through the mountainside with the river flowing below you. The views around the village are gorgeous. This is where we get our first glimpse of the summit Chandrashila. The altitude of Sari is 6,601 feet. We started our day in Sari at 10:30 am after having breakfast. The trek starts from the village with climbing a few stairs, leads to a well-defined rocky trail. After a gradual climb for 16 to 20 minutes, we come across the village houses and the local temple. We had our first water break here. Ten minutes after resuming walk, the valley became steeper.
Ants are falling off.
After around 40 minutes walk, we reached to a forest clearing, more specifically a valley. It is called Rupani Bugyal. At the valley facing end, you can see summit Chandrashila and the Tunganath temple below it. We offered a small prayer to the mountain gods here. The altitude is 7,434 feet. Wow! Sari is no longer visible and we could get a view of Ukhimat Valley from here. For this way. From here, the trail goes by a beautiful rhododendron and maple forest. Due to temperature and snowfall in December, the trail is snow covered here and there. Due to very fragile landscape, uprootment of trees are not very uncommon in the path. After another 35 to 40 minutes walk, we reach a close dhaba. Deuriatal is just 2 minutes away from here.
उई नैन्सी कुछ पोज वगैरह मार दे पीछे घूम के नहीं नहीं वो वीडियो हो रहा है ना आ जाएगा अच्छा वाला हाँ बाबा
This is the highlight of the trek today. Feel that. Feel the transition, exiting the jungle and then entering. Amazing.
After a very short downhill trek, surroundings open up to a grand view of Deuriatal with Mount Chaukhamba massif looming in the background. Hindu faith states that the Devas bathed in this lake, hence the name. According to the locals, it was also said that this lake was built by Bhim, who was the strongest among the Pandavas, to appease his thirst, and Yudhishthir, who was the wisest, suggested Bhim to build his own lake.
यहाँ से सेल्फी वो लेना है। तो जो भी पहले मैं अपनी
We camped beside Deuriatal for the night. The beauty of the view intensifies in the evening as the sun sets opposite to the mountains. This setting light of the sun makes the hills unreal or unearthly or heavenly, whatever you want to think.
And 2019 has been the year where they got out the most amount of bodies from Everest. Everest at this present day has more than 300 bodies, and it has become a landmark for other.